So this is Mr. Dry Out. We're at a house in Hudson. See the water coming out of the garage there. It's flooded in the garage. Water coming out of the house. And then you've got a closet, a bath. See how wet it is there. And then the wood floors. They're starting to split. You can see the stains in the wood floors. Here, it's really dark. It started to shot back some of the water. You can see how wet that carpet is by the front door. We got the Christmas tree here. Got water, staying water around here. Up here we got staying water. You can see that water. Up underneath the china hutch, living room, water. The kitchen's flooded. Here we got water underneath the cabinets. Kitchen, and then the family room also has water. If you see the ceiling starting to split, so we're gonna open up the ceiling there. We'll take a look when we get a little further. You can see this. This is soaking wet here in this hallway. Feel that. This is a laundry. And there's a malfunction. There's the top of the water right there. That's been running a good time. And here, no light. So this is a bedroom. It goes into that bedroom there. So this mat, let's take a look at this job we're doing. We're floating the carpet here. This room. Hallway, bath. Cut out a section of drywall. It's really mushy wet along there. Took the ceiling out of the bathroom. In the garage, they've got water. You see the water patches in the wall coming down from the ceiling. So we got a fan and a dehumidifier in the garage. Got one fan in the bathroom, one fan in this hall, into that room, storage room. Got one fan aimed at the ceiling there. We cut the ceiling down. See the damage goes further, but we open it up real big so we can get it drying out. Dehumidifier. In the kitchen, we took out the kick plates. On this side, it's wet near the back of the cabinets. We got a fan there. We got a fan over here for this whole section. All the baseboards are removed. Pantry. You can see the wood floor is buckling. See the ridges in the floor splitting. Got a fan here. This is opposite that bathroom. Really wet wall. Dining room, living room. A couple fans, another dehumidifier. Another fan on this side. And just one fan going down for that stretch of wall. Then upstairs where the flood started, we got a couple landings, took the carpet off. And we got another fan here. This wall is really soaking wet up the walls. We cut a section out on the stairs. Another dehumidifier. This landing area, you can see it's really wet. The subfloor. Hallway. Another bathroom. Remove the vanity kick plate. In this room, we cut the carpet out. Right there. Baseboard, subfloor is just soaking wet. This is the laundry. Dehumidifier. One fan. Call Mr. Dry Out 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.